What if the Earth was tidally locked to the sun? Imagine a world where one side of the planet never sees darkness, bathed in constant daylight, while the other side is locked in eternal night, frozen and starless. That's what would happen if Earth became tidally locked, rotating at the same rate it orbits, always showing the same face to the sun, just like the moon does with Earth. In this strange new reality, the sun would hang motionless in the sky for half the planet. No sunrise, no sunset, just a blistering noon that never ends. On the dark side, the sun would never rise. Temperatures would plummet, oceans could freeze, plants would die. Life as we know it would collapse, unless humanity could adapt. The habitable zone would likely shift to the Terminator line, the thin twilight strip between day and night, where temperatures might be stable enough for life to survive. Cities could form in this narrow ring, balancing light and dark, heat and cold. But living conditions would be extreme. Weather patterns would change drastically. With intense heating on the day side and deep cold on the night side, winds could roar across the planet at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Storms would rage constantly. Agriculture would be almost impossible outside carefully controlled environments. Power and resources would have to be engineered for survival. Solar energy would be abundant, but only on one half of the world. Meanwhile, the dark side would need nuclear or geothermal power just to stay alive. Human civilization would likely fracture geographically, sun dwellers versus shadow dwellers, unless massive infrastructure allowed for global cooperation. Even ecosystems would evolve differently. Species that survive on the day side would develop heat resistance. Those on the night side might adapt to cold and darkness, or go extinct altogether. So, what if the Earth was tidally locked to the sun? We'd live on the edge, literally, balancing between fire and ice, light and shadow. It's a scenario both terrifying and fascinating, showing how much we depend on Earth's delicate spin. If this video made you think about just how perfectly balanced our world really is, leave a comment below. Could you survive in the twilight zone, or would you rather live an endless day or eternal night?